In today's quick tip, we're going to look at the parts of the sail and what they're called. Okay, so first of all, we'll use the mainsail as our example, but no matter what the sail really, unless it happens to be a symmetrical or an asymmetric sail where there's some differences, the parts of the sail are always called the same thing. So first of all, let's look at our mainsail. If we assume that our mast is here, deck is along here, so mast here, okay, and we have a sail which is going to be attached by way of a halyard at the top of the sail, and it's going to be attached to the boom or to the connection of the boom and the mast by the tack of the sail, and then at the back of the sail, the rear corner of the sail, that's called the clew of the sail, and that's going to be attached by an outhaul. The outhaul is a line which pulls the back of the sail out. So the outhaul is attached to the clew, the halyard is attached to the head, and the tack is attached to the boom, normally by way of some stainless steel hooks. So they're normally sort of hooks like so. And those hooks, normally called something like a ram's horn, would be a common parlance for them. They can also be clipped in, and sometimes you'll also have another connection to the sail at this point, or through another cringle, which is the stainless loop, the stainless hole that's been put in the sail is called a cringle, and there may be one or two of those near the tack. And if there's two, one of them is probably so that you can put the Cunningham, which is another line, attach that to the sail, put that through that hole and attach it to the sail. So let's just go through that in a bit more detail. You've got head, you've got tack, you've got clew. Okay, and then the clew is attached to a line called the outhaul. The head is attached to a line called the halyard, which goes up the mast and then down, is connected, and then when you pull the halyard, it pulls it up, pulls the sail up. And then the forward bottom corner is called the tack. Next to the tack, or on top of the tack, you may have a connection for your Cunningham. The Cunningham is another line, normally a pulley system to give you extra purchase, and depending on the point of sail you're on, you can pull on that Cunningham and it will increase the tension of the luff. The luff is the leading edge of the sail at the mast end of the mainsail. So the leading edge of a sail is called the luff. The bottom edge of the sail is called the foot, and the trailing edge of the sail is called the leech. Okay, so let's just go through that one more time. Head, tack, clew, luff, foot, leech. And then the control lines attached to that are the halyard, which attaches to the head and pulls sails up. And then you've got the tack, which is connected and not mobile. The Cunningham, which is also attached near the tack on some sails, that is mobile and dynamic, and you can adjust that. And then the outhaul at the back of the sail at the clew, which you can pull on and ease off to change the tension of the foot and to either increase or decrease the belly of the sail, and that's called the draft. The belly of the sail is called the draft. Okay, so in this video that's all we've got, but check up here for the next video in this quick tips series. I hope you found this short video tutorial useful. If you did, please click the like button. This helps promote the video on YouTube. If you've got any of your own tips or experience you'd like to share, or you've got an idea for a video, let me know in the comments section below. And if you aren't already a subscriber, consider subscribing and remember to click the little bell so you're notified when I release my next video. There are various links that might interest you in the description section under this video. Until next time, sail safe.